Hey guys, what's up? Oh, you got me a present? Oh, a little saw, little 4.5-inch Rockwell saw. How come? Oh, you do? You want me to build you a jungle gym? Hey YouTubers, Chris Willett here from Notes from a Vagabond. Today I'm making a little review of this Rockwell 4.5-inch circular saw. I didn't know about this. I was messing around online, came across this. And these days I really like my tools to be smaller, lighter. I don't always need a big 7.25-inch circular saw with me. So saw this, I thought it looked pretty interesting. Picked it up off of eBay, tax, shipping, everything for less than 70 bucks. So I thought I'd give it a go. You know, we'll take a peek at what's inside the box, cut some wood with it, see how it performs, leave a little review. Hey guys, should we see what's in the box? Oh, we like opening boxes, huh? Okay, so let's see what we got here. So there it is. Oh, look at that, huh? Oh, look at that saw. Okay. And there's the saw. So when I was looking at this online, the one thing I didn't like is it has this little, you got to press this to pull the trigger. So there's an extra trigger release. That thing, don't like that already, I can tell. So what I got in the box is the instructions, a nice carbide tipped 24 tooth blade, the dust collector / Allen key to change the blade, and a little rip guide, which is kind of nice. On the box, I just want to go through a few things. Here's the dimensions. Let's see, we can read those. So here's the dimensions, what it can do. Voltage 120 volts. What's nice, power rated 5.0 amp. I looked at a few other saws. Sometimes they're 4 amps or 3 amps. No load speed, 3,500 RPMs. Blade 4.5. So max cutting depth at a 90 degrees is 1 inch and 11/16. So that's almost 1 3/4 inches. And at a 45, it'll cut 1 1/8. Total weight 5 pounds. So the cord length is approximately 8 foot long. That's pretty nice. It also has this Velcro strap here to tie up the cord in. Comes with the Allen key. There's a little Allen key there, so when you want to put the guide in, you can. And that, if you want, can attach back here to the cord, so it's always with you. I'm sure this is something I'm not going to have on for very long, or the guides. I always lose those. But a couple things. Table is real smooth, so I like that a lot. And then to go 45 seems to work real smooth too. So on this side, here's a blade lock, so it's, you can lock your blade to change it. And here's the place that you can attach this dust collector if you want to hook up a shop vac or something to it. That could come in useful someday if I could find this part when I need it. Another thing about this saw is right on the housing, it shows the direction your blade should be going. And it also, way on the tightening screws, there, it shows you which direction to loosen and which direction tightens, which is nice because on circular saws, it's not your normal way of tightening a screw. Another nice feature is it comes with a 3-year limited warranty, but that's real nice. This tool will last me 3 years with some use. I'll be real happy. Actually, I hope it lasts longer, but to have a warranty for 3 years is pretty good. So I've installed the blade. So this unit looks pretty good. Looks like this is cast aluminum up here. a steel plate there, pretty heavy duty plastic back here. This is what it sounds like. Sounds real good. Sounds quieter than I thought it would. The only thing I don't like is this whole thumb pulled out. Because personally, the way I want to hold it for my wrist and everything is I won't be able to reach that switch. So I have to first do that and then kind of rotate my hand. Hey guys, you want to go cut some wood? You want to cut some wood? Oh, we want to cut that wood! Yeah, you just want to make a mess, huh? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple test cuts with this thing. See how it works, how this little puppy works. Seems to cut that fine. Let's do a little rip. See if it's going to bog down or anything. So it can't cut a 45 totally through. This is, that's about, you got another, I don't know, quarter to a half inch. You know, you'd have to finish this off with a handsaw or something. So one of the drawbacks, can't do a 45 all the way through on a 2x4. So it seems to work real good. What I really like about this is it's so light. You know, if I need to just cut a little piece of wood like this, it's way more convenient than a big old Skill 77 7¼ inch saw. So seems to work fine until I really put it through some use and abuse. I won't know how good or great it is or what the little backfalls are, but I think it'd be a real handy tool to have. You know, so many times I don't want to bring my big saw with me, and this will cut a 2x4 just fine. Seems to have plenty of power. Anyway, if you like this movie, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below. Always like to hear from people. If I do find something else about this later on, I'll give a little update. Anyway, thanks for watching. We're not building a jungle gym today. That's all. Bye.